What is the silver cord? The silver cord is a concept found in spiritual, metaphysical, and religious teachings, symbolizing the ethereal connection between the physical body and the astral body, or soul. It is often described as a lifeline that maintains the connection between the soul and the physical body during astral projection or out-of-body experiences, OBEs, ensuring that the soul can return to its physical vessel. The silver cord consists of a very elastic and long thread, approximately 2 centimeters wide. It has 4 branches. The first has a connection point with the brain, the second with the heart, the third in the solar plexus, and the fourth in the liver. These 4 points constitute the beginning of the 4 bodies: physical body, etheric body, astral body, body of desire, and mental body. The silver cord is visualized as a shimmering, silver-like thread that extends from the physical body into the astral plane, connecting at one end to the physical body, often at the navel, and at the other to the astral body. This cord is believed to be elastic, allowing the astral body to travel far from the physical body without breaking the connection. The silver cord is called that way because despite the fact that the set of particles that form it contains all the existing colors, its set seen from the outside appears silver. This concept of the silver cord is handled by different experts in the matter, such as astrologers, clairvoyants, astrophysicists, etc., who believe that once the astral body separates from the physical body, something that usually happens when the person sleeps, this body is still attached to the other through the silver cord. Both if we travel in the present, and if we enter the Akashic files, the silver cord is the security rope and communication between what we perceive and the physical plane where the body is located. Through this silver cord, we can go wherever we want to all parts of the planet. Through this silver thread, you can travel to other planes. Through this connection, astral travel can be seen. In Oriental wisdom, it was considered that when a person dies, this silver cord weakens to the point of breaking, allowing the spirit of the person to travel to its new dimension. The flexible nature of this cord makes it possible for the astral body to have unlimited movement within the astral plane. There are 2 types of trips that can be considered to be achieved through the silver cord: the astral trips and the final trip, linked to a specific physical body, death. In the astral trip through the silver cord, the soul separates from the physical body, maintaining the union. This allows the astral body to travel to different planes and dimensions, regardless of the distance, and without detaching from the physical body to which it returns. The silver cord unites the supraconsciousness, being superior or universal consciousness, with the human body, as if the umbilical cord of a newborn with his mother passes the nutritious food. Also through this silver cord pass all impressions, sensations, feelings from the astral to the earthly. According to the hidden teachings, the astral plane, world that the soul crosses in its astral body, subtle intermediate body between the intelligent soul and the mental body, can be consciously visited through astral projection, meditation, and mantras, near-death experience, lucid dreams, or other means. Many of those who have experienced near-death situations or have made astral trips have manifested having seen this kind of light cord that keeps them together to their physical bodies. The fact that this invisible rope is cut when dying does not mean that it is also cut when experiencing an astral journey or when having near-death experiences. For example, in this last case, the cord can extend to the point of no return. It is from there that the person begins to have symbolic visions, where they observe tunnels, lights, and walls. The controversial writer Cyril Henry Haskin, better known as Tustalopsang Rampa, told in his well-known book, The Third Eye, about the awakening and opening of the 6th chakra and its relationship with the silver cord. For us, the body was nothing more than a shell or shell, animated by the authentic personality of each one, the superbeing, who takes the reins when one sleeps or dies. During sleep or astral projection, the man returns to another plane of existence. The spirit moves away from the physical body and floats out as soon as sleep arrives. The spirit maintains its contact with the physical body through a silver cord that does not break until the moment of death, when it is believed to dissolve, allowing the soul to leave the physical world permanently. And our dreams, while we are asleep, are experiences that are carried out in the spiritual plane of sleep. When the spirit returns to the body, the shock of awakening unleashes the dream memory, unless it is specially trained. In short, the silver cord is that energy thread that links us with this world and the other, representing the divine part of our being. If you are new to the channel and this topic resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments, and share. Together, we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.